Hello and welcome to another video. This is the Haylou GT2. I also made reviews of the GT1 and GT1 Pro, so check them out if you didn't already see them. Links are in the top corner of the screen. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Included in the box we get a case with both earphones already in it, a user manual and extra rubber buds. The rubber buds are cone shaped and as usual they feel nice and soft to touch. The manual tells us everything we need to know about how to set them up, and here are the button functions. It even tells us how to wear them. The case itself looks nice, but it doesn't have a lid. I personally prefer cases with lids for a bit of extra protection. But what do you think? Do you prefer with or without lids? Around the sides of the case there's not much to see at all, but under is something very interesting. Because this case doesn't have a charging port at all. It's got a built-in USB cable for charging, and it's tucked in under here. Whenever we need to charge, we can just pull the cable out like this, and we're ready to charge. And when it's done, just put it back in its spot. This eliminates the need of bringing any extra cable, so that's nice. Charging it from empty to full takes about 2 hours. The case battery capacity is 380 mAh, which provides about 11 hours extra charge. It does not support quick charge, so do not use a phone charger or any other quick charger to charge this case. There's not much more interesting to see here, but by removing the earphones we can see the charging connectors at the bottom here. The earphones themselves look simple but nice. They are similar to the GT1 with a black finish that's not too glossy and a push button on each of them. The buttons are not too hard, but the earphones will go a bit into the ears when pushing them. It's not uncomfortable though. Even though the earphones are quite small, weighing only 3.7 grams each, the battery lasted me 4 hours on loud volume, which isn't bad at all. If you include the case, we should get about 15 hours total. They also have lights to show us when they're charging or in pairing mode. On the front of the case is another light that's only visible when the case is charging. So one light on each earphone and one on the case. To pair them with a phone, we need to take them out of the case and select Haylou GT2R in the list. When that's done, we can see the earphone's remaining battery on the phone. The next time we take them out of the case, they will reconnect automatically, so all we need to do is take them out and wait a bit. For controlling music, we can push the button once to play or pause. This works on both the left and right side. To go back, click the left earphone twice, or twice on the right one to go to the next song. Clicking 3 times will open the assistant. The GT2 are very comfortable to wear and they are very light, so they will sit very well in the ears. And since they are so light, they don't fall out of the ears. The microphone is okay, but there is some background noise for the person in the other end. It almost sounds like using a hands-free in a car. Taking a call now and then is okay, but I wouldn't use them for long calls. Regarding delay or latency, it's the same as before. It's not very noticeable in videos, but I wouldn't use them for fast gaming. Sound quality is surprisingly good considering the price. Vocals sound nice and clear, even at higher volumes, but can sometimes be a bit tinny in the mid-range. It's not something that bothered me at all, but it's worth mentioning. The bass is good and punchy, but it's not going to be enough for the most bass-hungry people out there. The volume also goes more than high enough for me. If you're familiar with the GT1, the sound is about the same with the GT2, and it's actually quite good. Overall, a nice product from Haylou, at a very affordable price. Last time I checked, the GT2 cost only $17 or $18, so it's a bargain in my opinion. That's it for my review. If you liked the video, click that like button, and maybe consider subscribing for more. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.